Submitting expenses on Expensify is a straightforward process that helps streamline the reimbursement process. Here's a concise guide. Capture receipts. Use the Expensify mobile app to snap photos of your receipts or forward digital receipts to your Expensify email address. Alternatively, manually upload receipts through the web interface. Create expense report. Log into your Expensify account and navigate to the Expenses tab. Click on New Report to create a new expense report. Add expenses. Select the expenses you want to include in the report. This can include individual expenses or groups of expenses related to a specific project or trip. Review and edit. Review the expenses in the report and edit any details if necessary. Ensure that all expenses are categorized correctly and comply with company policies. Submit for approval. Once you reviewed and finalized the expense report, submit it for approval. If required, select the appropriate approver for the report. Track approval status. Monitor the status of your expense report to see if it has been approved, rejected, or requires further action. Reimbursement. Once the report is approved, you will receive reimbursement for the approved expenses according to your company's reimbursement policy.